I'm not drunk, shut up.
Oh, you can make snowshoes and shit too.
How'd you make that, dude?
I had to combine a lot of cloth. Combine a lot of cloth and you'll get a rope. I think I need to kill some birds or something maybe and get bird feathers.
Little birdies.
Okay, yeah, I got the thing now. I gotta pull them out. In order to make arrows, you need what?
You need fucking bird feathers, dude.
Well, bird landed right here, next to me.
Did you see a feather fly up or anything?
I just killed it. There's feathers, I got a feather. Oh, there's another one.
I think just that they fly away, that's good enough because you can get the feather from it.
Here.
Well, Jay just wants murder.
I got another. If you kill it, the feathers fly like away. Like I got like 3 off of one bird.
Yeah. Where's the feather at? Oh, there it is. What do you need? Do you need feathers and arrows? Or
Feathers and sticks.
Some dumb birds, dude. They're landing and letting me kill them.
Oh! Now I got a lizard head, dude.
Wow. Oh, dude, I hear something weird over there. Dude! Dude! Bro.
Yeah, I don't know how to get my bow out.
You gotta just use the axe. Oh, man.
One down.
Okay, we gotta chop these guys up and get an effigy now.
I'm just gonna carry the body, dude.
Alright, let's get back to base. What just happened, dude?
This looks so stupid.
Yeah, dude, I just heard like moaning and they were sitting there looking at me. I was like, oh. Turn it back down. Oh, thing's bigger than you are, dude.
I know. We traveled pretty far.
We did. Now we have a lot of stuff, you know. Kind of.
Well, I got a bow and arrow now.
Alright.
I just need to figure out how to
Chop them up and
use
put it on effigy. Okay. Let's start with the head.
Okay, dude. Well, we got some body parts here.
Alright, let's start adding them. Need another head. Where's your head at?
Oh,
Did you lose your head? How'd you lose the head, dude?
may have rolled off somewhere, dude.
I think that's plenty enough. I don't think we need a third head. I think that'll be good enough for them to understand that we're not messing around. Alright, I need to learn how to craft now.
Hey, dude. How you doing?
Oh! Hello. So, how do you craft the arrows? Just a feather and sticks?
You need 5 feathers and a stick. And it'll make you 5 arrows.
Gotcha. We should light this fire so I can eat something. Can we make a regular fire? Let's make a regular fire pit. A good one. Okay, I'll go get some. Nice. Oh! I'm sorry. I broke it.
How'd you break it?
I don't know. I tried to cook something like raw chicken on a fire. It didn't work. My bad. Alright, I got rocks.
Maybe we just need one more rock.
I got plenty of them. So how do I put food on there?
R. Hit R on the campfire.
This is a fire pit, right? Yeah. Basic fire, bonfire, standing fire. Hit R on it.
Yeah, I put 3 of my meats in there.
Okay, cool.
Alright, there. There's a thing in there for you.
Very good. Very good. Splendid. The bird right here, dude. Put the arm up there, too. Why'd you put an arm up here?
I'm trying to get more feathers.
You mind? You know, I hear bees, dude. Or flies. Oh, this is gonna cause sickness. We need to get this out of here. Yeah, I can stink over there.
What?
I had the bodies were collecting flies. I put them over there.
I see a cannibal.
A weeaboo.
Yeah, he's that way.
How do you like quick collect or select? You have to go in your inventory every time you want to select something.
If you hit one, it'll bring back out your whatchamacallit. I don't think there's a map, is there?
I don't think so. Yeah, look, come over here by me. There's like flies on these things. So I don't know if that's like bad or something.
Yeah, I don't know.
Oh, there's another lizard, dude. He's in the camp.
What's that, a log holder?
Yeah. Pick up all these logs. I know there's logs everywhere. Now I can't find any. I just saw them all. Oh, here they are.
That's how you fell a tree right there, boy. Right on camp.
Alright, dude, now we're gonna do something a little crazy. Get ourselves a nice big bonfire.
Oh, shit.
Take some of these logs and put them to work. I got the other tree. There we go. I dare to see him do something now. Oh yeah! Nice. You wanna make some walls now? Maybe the rabbit traps work now. Maybe we should make some rabbit traps.
I would like to get this, like, kind of surrounded in, so...
Yeah.
Where are you going?